With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is calculate de Broglie wavelength associated with an electron accelerated through a potential difference 400 volt. We have ABCD options are given to us, so we have to find correct option. So the solution of this question is, we know that electron is accelerated to a potential of 400 volt. So we can write here, we have the potential difference, that is our V here, and this is equals to 400 volt, and we have the kinetic energy, K is 400 electron volt. So we have the kinetic, and if potential difference is 400 volt, then kinetic energy is 400 electron volt, and we know that de Broglie's wavelength is equals to, so we can write here de Broglie wavelength is equals to, denoted by lambda, is equals to h, that is Planck's constant, and divided by 2 and mass and kinetic energy. So if we put the values here, so we have the Planck's constant value is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34, and this is divided by, this is 34 here, minus 34, and this is divided by under root 2 time of mass and 2 time of mass, that is mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31, and we have the K, that is kinetic energy is 400 electron volt. So this is multiplied with 400 into 10 power minus 19, and so that we can convert it into the meter from the electron volt. So from this we get our wavelength is 6.6 into 10 power minus 34, and this is divided by 1.08 into 10 power minus 23, and from this we can write here this is equals to 6.1 into 10 power 11 meter, and this is equals to 0.06 into 10 power, so we can convert it into the nanometer, that is 0.06 nanometer. So this is the answer for this question. Now we check which option is correct here. So our option D is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.